Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And mine is Andrew.
Today we're scratching in Andrew's account, Star Scratch Cat.
So today I'm going to show you my project called Imposter Fishing. So this is an original project. So let's show you it. First, here, I'm going to tap to get the hook down and try to catch the imposters, which are flying through the space of Among Us. Okay, so now let's see the code. So first, this is my material sheet where I got all the sprites, and this is player, which is you, trying to catch imposters flying through space, and the imposter tail. All these are decorations. And the hook we need to use to go for the hook to go down and catch the imposters. So here, when green got collected, it'll go to its original position, which is here, X35 and Y35. Then when space key pressed,
34.
Glide 1 second to X30 and Y -69, which will go down, so the hook will go down. Then it will glide 1 second to where it started, which is X34 and Y34. So go down, then go up like a regular hook. And wait 1 second, so you can't just like keep spamming the hook and keep getting close. And imposter 1 is the first imposter. So when green flag clicked, it'll set the timer variable to 0. Then it'll forever change timer by 1, so each second the timer will go up by 1. Then if timer equals 60, which is a minute, then it'll stop all. So the game will stop. Then it'll wait 1 second and keep going. So add only 1 to the timer every second. Then here, when green flag clicked on forever show, and go to 186 Y -72, which is over here. So this is like the starting line if it were a race. Then it will glide 3.5 seconds to -210 Y -85. So it'll go to the other side of the screen, hide, and then you go back to starting, show, and repeat. So keep going through space. And it's the same for all the other imposters, except there's also this. When green flag clicked, set imposters caught, which is another variable, to 0, which is basically your score, and forever if touching hook. So if the imposter touches the hook, it'll change imposters caught by 1, and then go to X186 Y -72, which is basically its starting position. It's the same for all the other imposters,
but like different coordinates.
Yeah, so there are 10 imposters. So I don't want them to all like just go at the same time, or it'll be very easy to get score.
Because you just need to press at the right time, then you'll get all of them.
Then so I added a wait, and the wait seconds is different for all the imposters. So here it's 1 second. This is 0.5 and 2.5, and it'll all be different. Okay, and that there are 10 imposters. And white, there's no white imposter because it's you don't want to capture yourself, the imposter version of yourself. Okay, so now I'm going to go first for the first 30 seconds.
And I see that if orange goes, you'll still get it, so you don't need to care about orange.
Yeah, and lime and brown. All the others need to go down to get the points.
Well, I can see that, blue is like going up. Yeah. Because if it doesn't go up, you'll like be impossible to get it.
It's the most bottom.
Pink too. It's a little bit high.
5 more seconds.
4, 6.
Got 700, exactly 700. Okay, you go for the other half.
I hate dark green. It's just so hard to get. Mistaken red for dark green. I'm trying to get dark green.
Green.
Yay! Got dark green. Yellow, pink.
15 seconds.
Ah.
Let's see if we can get 1,000 score.
Yes, we can.
We already got 1,000 score.
I wonder if anybody who ever plays this will ever get 2,000. It'll be almost impossible. Yeah. Except if the person hacks.
Our score is 1298. Okay.
Which is 1,298.
Yeah. 30 more seconds. Okay. 30 more seconds.
Imposter. Fishing, fish.
It's like just fishing, but in space, and you have fish imposters.
I wonder how the imposters can fly. Maybe they got ejected and then like they had a boost and then they fly through this
like a rocket.
This crewmate's house or whatever it lives in, and then it says, I hate imposters. Maybe they're here to eliminate me. Then so this white crewmate got a fishing hook, and then always when there's imposters there, he'll fish the imposters and say,
That'd be so funny.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.